actually so obsessed with... I'm shocked. I'm shocked, guys. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a TikTok unboxing video for you guys. I'm so excited. I haven't done a video like this before, but I'm excited to just share you know, what I've purchased and just kind of rate each item, the quality and everything, just to give you guys a download. Okay, I'm kind of nervous, but I've heard good reviews and I haven't really heard any bad reviews from TikTok shop, so I thought, why not buy a bunch of things that I actually need and just, you know, give it a try first. Obviously, as you can see, I think I went too all out. I think I've been a bit excited whilst on a TikTok shop. One thing in the basket became to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an honest video review. It's not sponsored or anything, you guys know. I'm just gonna give my honest opinion and what I feel about each item truthfully. So where do we even start? Where should we start? Like, I don't even know which bag to open first, guys. Okay, so this company is Gal Next Door. I already know what's in here. Yeah, we are gonna open it. Let me see. I feel like it's Christmas. Ooh, okay. Chokers. It says chokers on the box. It's a very shiny box. Let's open it and see. Oh, this is so cute. They gave a little, they had like a little gift inside with a little thank you. Let me come closer so you guys can see. It's a little thank you. It says, thank you for your order. Here's a free gift. Please leave us a positive review. Follow us for exclusive giveaways and discounts. And they gave us their socials on Instagram and TikTok. That's so cute. And then they gave me like 3 earrings. There. So let's open these. Oh, guys, I'm actually obsessed already. I haven't even put them on, guys. These are so hot. If you know me, you know I love boots. I love my heel boots. Suede. Oh my god, look at these. And oh, I just love it. It's not pre-owned. As you can see, it hasn't been worn. So far, guys, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat or be over the top, but I'll actually give it a 10 out of 10. Let's try them on first. Let's see how comfy they are. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. Let me take out. This is so far so good. Like, I have nothing to complain about right now. Let's put them on. Come on and zip. Nah, man, I'm so in love. I don't even know what to say. MG, it's on, guys. Let me show you guys. Of course I didn't adjust this part correctly. No, but they're comfy. Yeah, let me come close for you guys so you guys can actually see. They're really comfortable to walk in. That was cute. Okay, next, I'm just gonna pick our random bag. Randomly picked that choice. Let's see. It's way bigger than I thought it would be. I'm not complaining though. This is gonna motivate me to drink gallons a day. I needed to get this, guy, some sort of motivation to help me drink. The other cute colors, there was a lilac one, there was a grey one, a black one, but I just like the baby blue. And at the back it's got the obviously layers. And it's one of those where you just clip it down, so you just press the button and then it comes open like that. That's cute. Okay, so that's done. All right, this one is a blackboard eraser I bought for my blackboard. Okay, it's pretty decent. You can't go wrong. I mean, it's just an eraser. We're done. Okay, so I bought these AirPods from the TikTok shop. Think Plus, Lenovo. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try this towards the end of the video because I'm actually using my phone to film right now. So we'll keep this one until the end, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion about how well it works and how close it is to AirPods, actual AirPods, in terms of volume and just quality in general. Oh, my socks. Yes. I already own black pairs of socks and a few white ones. To be fair, I just need new pairs of socks. But these are so cute. Look how cute they are. These would be nicely styled with a cute outfit, you know, and nice trainers. I love them. Cute. It's giving what it needs to give, and I can't wait to actually wear this. Guys, it feels good quality. It's very stretchy as well. It's thick. These are very nice. I have nothing negative to say, so I'll say 10 out of 10. So as the other items, which I didn't rate. So yeah, let's go on to the next one. What is this? I don't remember what. Oh yeah, this is my cute little dress that I ordered. Guys, I'm short for words. I absolutely love this dress. Let me tilt the camera so you guys can see. I'm actually so obsessed with stretchy. It's not even too tight, like it's just the perfect fit. And I think I got the extra small size. Or is it small? Small or extra small? I'll double check. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The material's very good, guys. I kid you not. So cute with a hoodie in the back. The hood top, like that quality of dress is amazing. They have different colors as well. I think they have a gray and a black, I think. But anyways, yeah, these are marker pens for a blackboard. Well, markers, they're just plain white markers. And yeah, plain black markers, and it's 2 in each pack. Another pair of socks. Black, brown, light brown. The seat is kind of faded, but I don't know if that's something to complain about. I think that's good quality. It's like a 360 auto face tracker tripod. Let's open it. This, I can't lie, this is so essential for content creators, like especially if you're filming by yourself. You're gonna need, just so it makes your life easier. And this is gonna help me a lot, especially like when I'm dancing. I can just set this up and it will capture me. Okay, so let's see what this is about. It's not coming out. Ooh, okay. Let me come a bit closer so you guys can see. This is how it looks. Power button here, a little hand button, like a repeat button. And then it's got like a little, I think this comes out actually. Okay, let me switch it off because I'm not ready. I need to set it up. So you can bend it as well. Open it here. So I'm guessing you obviously put your phone here. I'm gonna try this right now, guys. This is the moment of truth. Guys, I gotta understand now. Let's see how it's gonna work. Oh, it's on. Oh, oh my God. I'm shocked. I'm shocked, guys. Oh my God. I think when you do the gesture, it waits. I'm so amused. I need to give this a 10. TikTok shop, I'm surprised. This has been probably the best investment of the day. How much did I pay? I think it was £10. I'm gonna put the description and everything in the video, don't worry. I'll figure that out another day. I'm just happy that it's actually working and it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. There's no issues with it. I haven't seen any issues so far. Everything's pretty straightforward. They even have like an instruction leaflet inside, so if you guys get like a bit confused, just read it. So yeah, I'm happy. That's made my day. Oh yeah, of course I did. I got myself like a little cute set. Yes, a little cute set which I bought. I love the design. Let me take it out. So again, it feels like very good quality. At the end of the day, it is mesh, so you have to be really careful with this type of material. But I love the design. I love the colors. It looks cute. I can't wait to try these on. The only issue I'd say though is online when it comes to like purchasing these type of sets. Sometimes it doesn't come in actual sizes. It comes in small, medium, and large, which is kind of annoying. But bottoms, not really, because you can get away with small, medium, and large. But when it comes to bra sizes, it needs to be a specific size, like make for you, not just small, medium, and large. But we're gonna try this. So these are, I don't actually know what to call these, guys. I bought these so that when I'm stretching, I'll feel more comfortable. Hopefully it'll be a lot more comfortable whilst I'm stretching and things. Let me just try it on quickly. Yeah, it feels even better on. Do they come in sizes? I think they do. It's very soft, it's very comfy, it's soft, it's not too tight, and it just grips your legs. If you're somebody who's very sporty, does acrobats and all of that, then definitely get a pair of these. They're quite good, it's useful. Another pair of trainers. I don't even know what you call them, trainers or plimsolls. They're closer to plimsolls because of how flat they are. Look at them. So, flat. The reason I bought these is for these so I can wear them to the gym. I like to feel grounded when I'm working out, especially when I'm doing like heavy weights and stuff. So I normally take off my shoes when I'm working out. So when I came across this, I was like, actually, if I get these, I won't have to take off my shoes. Guys, I kid you not, this is like probably one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my life. Like, see that angle? I can literally bend like, these are actually great for any type of sporty activity that you want to do. Purchase these. Somebody like me who likes to feel like grounded, very grounded in the gym without having to wear some bulky platform shoes, buy these. It's like I'm wearing socks. I like how it gives that kind of like glove effect on the foot. This shoe just made my day. Like, I think we're coming towards, no, what is this? Ah, another set. I forgot. I bought another set. This is, if you know me, you know green emerald is my favorite color. This is, again, the only issue with the size is it comes in small, medium, and large. So you have to really try and be precise about what size. Fashion shine glasses. Let's have a look and see. Wow. They sit very nicely on your face. I think this is the only color that they have. No, I lied, sorry. They have a, I think it's like a leopard print pattern. Sits nicely on your face, thick frames. Again, what is this? Guys, I'm literally surprising myself. I keep forgetting. Yes, so I bought these pair of earrings because they look so cute. I'm gonna try them on right away. These are very pretty. Let's try them on first. So this one goes through your ears first, and then this one goes through in the back, and then once you put that through, you put the butterfly through as well. That's the way I saw it on the model through TikTok. So, okay, so I'm gonna show you both pairs at a time. This is how it looks. I'm actually quite happy with them. I think they're actually nice. Very, very nice. Again, worth the price. TikTok is actually not disappointing. And lastly, we have another pair of boots. Drum rolls, please. Wrap. Okay, look. Guys, I don't think you can see it. Let me move closer. If I put these boots on, just know it's a wrap. Like, it's a wrap. Look at these, guys. Look how amazing these boots are. They're shiny. So that is it. We've come to the end of our unboxing video, guys. I'd highly recommend shopping on TikTok. I'm honestly so impressed, and I'm definitely going to be shopping more on there. I've already put a bunch of things in my basket as well. We'll purchase them, but we'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching. So yeah, I probably will do another unboxing video like this again soon because it was so fun. If you have any questions, make sure you leave me a comment, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet for more videos like this. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.